The Center Library is the premier collection of documents and artifacts on the history of American women in the United States and arguably in the world.
So the mission of the library is to document the history of women in America. But by telling that story, we're also telling the story of American history. So our collections transcend time and geography and class. We cover all political issues, sides of political and social issues. The collections we have help illuminate all aspects of our shared history.
When you think about that statement and you think about kind of how really recent a field women's history is, it becomes very profound to think about this entire institution with a talented staff and rich collections is dedicated to documenting the experience of a group of people who for a long time weren't written about in history. This is one of the vaults that we have on site, and it